Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ledger Nano S Plus. First, unbox your new device and connect it to your computer using the provided USB-C cable. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application on your desktop or mobile phone. Once installed, open Ledger Live and follow the clear on-screen instructions to initialize your device and set up a secure PIN code. This initial setup is crucial for your device's security. Your 24-word recovery phrase is the master key to your crypto assets. It's vital to write each word down precisely on the recovery sheets provided. After writing, the device will prompt you to verify the phrase, ensuring every word is correct. Store these sheets in a very secure, private, and offline place, like a safe. Never share this phrase with anyone and do not store it digitally. Now that your device is set up, open Ledger Live and go to the Manager section. Here, you can install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need directly onto your Ledger Nano S Plus. For example, if you want to manage Bitcoin, install the Bitcoin app. After installing the apps, navigate to the Accounts section and add accounts for your chosen cryptocurrencies. This links your device to your crypto holdings. To receive crypto, select the account in Ledger Live, click Receive, and generate an address. Crucially, verify this address on your Nano S Plus screen to ensure it matches. For sending, initiate the transaction in Ledger Live, entering the recipient's address and amount. Your device will then prompt you to confirm the details. Always double-check all transaction details on your device before approving to prevent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.